So nowadays, there are quite a number of different HIFU devices in the market. You have the American cell therapy, the Koreans, Liftira, Ultraformer, Ultracell, just to name a few. So I'm very sure many of you are confused about what are the differences and which is more suitable for you. So I'm going to do a simple comparison for you to think about and consider. Well, let me share about the similarities with these technologies. First of all, they are all HIFU devices, which means high intensity focused ultrasound. Some people ask me, is our therapy a HIFU machine? I'll say yes, it is actually one of the first to be launched, but it is a kind of HIFU technology. Next, the benefit, they are all used to treat different layers of the skin from 1.5mm to 3mm to 4.5mm for the skin. For other devices in the Korean technologies, they included other depths like 6mm all the way to 13mm for treating the other parts of the body as well. For the HIFU devices, the 1.5mm are more superficial, so it's useful for skin texture and fine lines improvement. For 3mm is used to improve the skin collagen as well as elasticity because it reaches out to the more superficial layer of the muscles or the skin. The 4.5mm target the SMUS layer or the superficial musculoaponeurotic system, which is a deep muscle layer. So this one will give a better lifting of the face as well as the neck and the double chin area. Because of this depth, this deeper treatment must be done by a doctor and it can injure muscles as well as nerves if it's not done properly. So therefore the benefits for HIFU devices, they will help to improve of course lines, fine wrinkles, pore size and skin textures, double chin correction, tighten up the jawline, improve the lines on the neck as well as the décolleté area. It also helps to lift the brow area muscles so that the eyes can look a bit more lifted and more alert. For American HIFU devices which are stronger, it can see results in a slower way because energy are delivered deeper. So typically results are seen after 2 months up to 6 months later, depending on the skin condition as well as the age group of the patient. For the Korean ultrasound devices, as the energy is placed more superficially, we tend to see more immediate results. Sometimes results can be seen almost immediately using the pen style kind of device, although it lasts a shorter time. Whereas the cartridge device, results will take about 1 to 2 months onwards to see because of its more superficial nature. The Korean technologies are designed more for thinner Asian skin, so tends to be more comfortable, but however, multiple sessions will be needed. For the American device, as energy is more powerful and deeper, usually 1 up to 2 sessions is needed a year, of course depending on the skin conditions as well as the age group. So for Korean devices, the energy is more shallow and lighter, so multiple sessions are needed. So usually we recommend 1 session every month for about 4 up to 6 times, again depending on the skin condition as well as the age group. Currently only the American HIFU has direct visualization function, which means that the doctor can directly visualize the layers of the skin before deciding what energy and how deep to go. Whereas for the Korean technology, we do not have the built-in direct visualization effect. However, the design of the cartridges is smaller and lighter, as well as they have a pen style kind of cartridge which help to address smaller area lifting, for instance the skin around the eyes, the lips area, the jawline, which can be more easily treated in a smaller bone Asians. HIFU devices are suitable for mild to moderate skin laxity for lifting. For the American HIFU, the energies are stronger and goes deeper, so it's suitable for people with a thicker skin or thicker subcutaneous layer, people with a higher pain threshold, or people are so busy they can only do treatment 1 to 2 a year. It also has of course a higher risk of redness, but if it's like 1 to 2 a year, people may not mind the side effect. Whereas for the Korean technology, it is more superficial and lower in power. They're suitable for Asian skin type with thinner skin, thinner subcutaneous layer, or basically a slimmer face, or people with a much lower pain threshold, or people who don't mind coming back for multiple sessions of treatment for better benefits. Because of the minimal side effects like redness or swelling, it is suitable for people who want to go back to office or social functions straight away after the treatment. So some of our patients like to combine both technologies, the American as well as the Korean technologies. They may use the American technology like once a year, and for maintenance and prolonging of the effect, they'll use the Korean pen style HIFU that has more immediate results as well as can address certain areas of the face that couldn't be addressed by the American technology. So they can do like one session of the American HIFU followed by, let's say, every 3 to 4 monthly of the Korean HIFU session for even better results.